Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Lightroom catalog that contains the images you want to remove. Once done, go directly to the Library module and switch to Grid View so you can scan many thumbnails quickly. Make sure to set a filter or use flags and ratings to narrow results. This prevents accidental deletions. You're preparing the set, not deleting yet. So use quick visual checks and the search bar to confirm you've got the right folder and images before moving to selection. Now select the images you intend to delete. Click for single files, Shift+click for contiguous ranges, and CMD or Control+click to add or remove individual pics. Once selected, use flags, ratings, or color labels to refine the batch. That way you can quickly include or exclude near duplicates. Preview with the loop or compare view to verify details and exposure. Transition deliberately once selection is certain. You'll be ready to remove files either from the catalog or from disk. To finish, press Delete. Lightroom will prompt you to either remove photos from the catalog or delete them from disk. Choose Remove from Catalog when you want to keep original files, or Delete from disk to erase them permanently. Make sure to double-check the prompt and file paths. If you're unsure, use Show in Finder or Explorer first. If something goes wrong, stop and check your backups or the trash/recycle bin immediately. You can restore originals quickly if you haven't emptied them yet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.